So here's how to fix Marvel Rivals keep crashing and freezing on Windows. So first what you can do is right click on the Marvel Rivals in your Steam, and then go to Properties, and then go to Installed Files if you have it already installed. And then in here you will click Verify Integrity of Game Files, and then let it verify the files and repair any potentially corrupted files. Now once the process is complete, you can close this. Then you want to make sure you have latest GPU updates installed. So for me, I have a GeForce RTX. So I'm going to open the NVIDIA app. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install this NVIDIA app to get the drivers for your GPU, and go to drivers section. Click in here to check for any updates, and then download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now once it's installed, you can close this and then open Windows settings. Then go to Windows Update and make sure you have the latest updates installed. And then once you install the updates, you will need to reboot your PC. Next, you can open the settings again. Right click on Windows icon, go to settings, and in here we want to go to display, system, and display. And in here we want to go to graphics. And in this list, you should add Marvel Rivals if you don't have it already. You can click on Add Desktop App and navigate to where Marvel Rivals is installed, and then select the exe. Now, if it's already in the list, what you can do is click on the arrow here, and then in the GPU preference, make sure you select High Performance, and then disable optimization for windowed games if it's on. Now you can simply close this and right click the game icon in your desktop, or you can run Steam as admin by closing Steam first, and then search for Steam and right click run as admin, press yes, and now you can simply launch the game, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.